hi everyone. I hope that you're all doing okay. I wanted to come on here real quick and I wanted to record a video just to try to explain to you, to show you how you will go about submitting your assignments through Canvas. Okay. Again, on Monday, let me look at the calendar, on the 23rd at 1 o'clock, I will be available on Canvas through the ConferZoom. So you will click on ConferZoom on the left-hand side. You'll go there. There should be a button for you to go ahead and join our class session. I'll be on there. I know that I need to talk about the SLO assessment for PowerPoint because I know there's a few students that are still completing that. And then I also I want to go over Excel again, kind of explaining how to use Excel and then going over that first project again. And so then if you have any questions, you can ask me those questions. Again, I'll be available to you Monday and Wednesday from 1 to 3:15 via the ConferZoom, okay? So let me go ahead and see if I can get a screen share here, or my Canvas course shell, okay? Here, what you're going to do is, you see here, let me actually change this if I can. Let me change this to the student view. All right, so you'll notice that we have assignments, we have discussions, and then we have the ConferZoom. So ConferZoom is where you're going to go on Monday at 1 o'clock in order to be able to join me. So you'll go there. I'll be available there in order to assist you, okay? But if you scroll down, you'll notice our assignments. And you notice that for me, I have a lot of things that have this little red icon. And so this means that it's overdue that I haven't done it. Okay, and so you know where you're at. So I know we have a couple of students still working on the last little bit of Word. I have students still working on PowerPoint. Excel is where we should be. So on the 23rd by 11:59, I wanted everybody to be finished with chapter 1 of Excel. And I know that a lot of you, are doing that. And so you can work on that now. You can do that now, and then you have it. Otherwise, you can always, do it then. Honestly, the due dates are on here, and I did change some of them from what was listed in the syllabus. I'll be honest and tell you that I'm very flexible with the due dates. Just make sure that you just are continuing to work through and that you're checking in. I've noticed, I noticed that most people, they've at least checked into Canvas, they've looked at it within the last couple of days. I appreciate you doing that, okay? That's really important, okay? So let's say I wanna go ahead and submit, I don't know, we'll pretend the SLO assessment. So I'll click on that, and then this one, you'll notice it says there's a link to a document. So if I click on that, it's going to go ahead and download a document. Okay, so it comes up. Again, I don't know. You can see that. Instructions. When you're finished, see, I'll have to wait for this to finish. And again, you may not even be seeing this, but right now the computer's opening up Word and it's actually bringing up the instructions. Okay. Looks like maybe it's showing that. I'll find out when I go back. So these are the instructions. I'm finished with that. That's fine. I go back. When I'm ready to submit, I need to click on this Submit Assignment. What I would ask is that you wait until, like for example, I know with the demonstrations you have several files. You have H1, H2, H3, H4. Sometimes there's more. Wait until you've completed every single one of those sections, and then you can submit everything all at once. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and click Browse down here under File Upload. You'll find it, and so for fun, I guess we can do just to have a file. So you'll browse, you'll find your file. If you're using USB, you'll go to your USB. If you're storing on the computer, you'll go there. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and hit Submit Assignment, and then you'll notice it takes a minute to upload. And remember again that your upload speed is going to be a lot slower than it takes to download something, so it will take a minute. But you notice here it says submitted. There it is. And then it gives you the file name of what was submitted, okay? Now let's say I forgot something. I would have to go back. I could hit on here, I could hit to resubmit, and then I would have to select those files again. It deletes the previous submission entirely. Okay, so that's helpful. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful. Again, please keep checking. Let me see here. Let me see if I can get into. Let me go ahead and stop the share. All right. So please, do what you can to keep up your assignments and to keep working. And if you, again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me via email. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And again, I hope that you're doing well. Please stay well. Make sure you're doing your social distancing and whatnot. And I look forward to working with you, through this. And I have every faith that you will do well. So we'll certainly, I will see you soon. I'll see you on Monday. Bye for now.